So now it's a time for discovery activity, and as usual we will start our discovery activity with a brain gym exercise. I think we will do the brain gym exercise for 1 minute completely today. Okay, so are you ready for it? We will try to see this thumb continuously for 1 minute. As you can see, I am drawing number 8 with the help of this and trying to see the same thing. So now the 1 minute is completed. Stop. Do you know how could I calculate this 1 minute exactly? With the help of this instrument. Can you just recognize what is this? Yes children, you are right. It is a sand clock where sand particles are used and a fine line or a stream falls down in a particular time. So it is called as a sand clock. The sand clock is not newly invented instrument, children. It has been invented in ancient time. But the problem was that it could calculate only a small period of time. What about the whole day's measurements, or if you want to know the time for the whole day, what about that? So for that purpose, a beautiful invention was done of sundial. Considering the sun, that is the sun rays and the shadows, a sundial was invented, and it could show the time exactly also and in a very easy way. So would you like to make a sundial along with me? And for that purpose we will need hardly some material that is easily available at home. So we will try to make it. Okay children? We know that sundial works on the sun rays and the shadow formed by it. While keeping it in the sun rays, we need to consider one important thing, and that is that the sun rises from east and sets in west. Considering this, we need to keep the proper position of the sundial, and then only we will get the correct timing, children. This was considered when I kept the sundial in our school ground, and we noted different times, right, like 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock, so that we will understand the real or the actual working of a sundial. So now let us see that. Materials that we need for preparing a sundial are, this is a paper plate. As you can see, you can take any paper plate, it is up to you. If you don't have the paper plate, you can just cut the cardboard sheet in a round shape. Okay. Now other than that, we will need a pencil which is not used, one marker pen, one normal pencil for the marking, a big scale, two-way tape, and the pair of scissors. Now we will move on to the procedure. Instead of paper plate, if you don't have paper plate, you can use CDs also, children. To the CDs you can just cover a white plain paper so that the reflection will not be there, and you can use it. Okay. Circular shape is important. That's it. And if you don't have the unused pencil, you can use the used one also. That is also fine. Okay. So now we will move on to the procedure, children. The simple thing is that you are going to divide this plate into exactly 2 halves. For that, I am using the scale. Okay. And trying to mark it exactly in 2 halves. So I think this will be the marking. Okay, like this. Similarly, we will do horizontally also. Exactly half we will need. Yes, here I am marking and here. So, finally, we are with 4 markings. The main 4 markings in any clock. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Once this is done, you need to write the numbers. Which numbers you will write? Obviously, here 12 will come, here 6, 3 and 9. Got it? You can see children, there are 4 markings done, and it was a laminated plate, so I had used the CD marker pen. Okay? And the numbers you can see 12, 3, 6 and 9. Now, we need to find out the center of the clock, so that we can fix the hands on it, because without hands it will be incomplete, you know that. So to find out the center, From both the sides you need to find out, by measuring it. So this is the center of the clock. At this center we will stick a piece of two-way tape. Okay, and on that two-way tape we will stick a pencil like this. Can you believe our sundial is ready, children? Now only the thing is that you need to keep it wherever the sun rays are available. Now one thing you keep in mind, as we know that sun always rises from east and sets in west. So in that position you need to keep it so that it will show you the exact timing. I will show it with the help of a demo, as I kept one sundial on our school ground and tried to quote different timings. Sundial is placed on our school playground, children. While placing the sundial, the direction east-west is noted with the help of magnetic compass. It is very important to consider the directions. As we know, sundial works on the principle of shadow formation. The pencil that we attached at the center is showing the shadow and ultimately the exact timing also. So you can notice in the video it is showing different times, 9, 10, 11 and so on. So the main concept is sun rays and the shadow formation. So easily we can make the sundial and note the time. Right, children? Children, next time whenever you go to seashore, you can try to make such type of sundial. This type of sundial can be easily made and you can know the time. Right?